Hello, my name is Crystal. I'm an expert as a service consultant, and in this video, I will talk about time member disambiguation for flat representation in charts. This is part of the QRC for Q3 of 2023. So now in the optimized experience, you will be able to see the same time labels between charts and tables in flat presentation for the date dimension. Let me go to a story to show you how you can see this new update. I will go to edit mode and I will change the hierarchy of the date dimension. I will change this to flat presentation. I will apply the changes. And right now you see that we still have a difference of labels between the table and the chart. So to apply the same label, you have to go to the three dots and then go to display options and change or enable this to date clarification. And now we have the same labels. So to do a quick review, in this video I show you that now you will be able to see the same time labels. As you can see, you will see the month and year in the chart and also the tables for flat presentation. And this is part of the QRC for Q3 of 2023. Thank you very much for watching this video.